Hello friends, I am Shubham Sharma from Toppersnotes. This video is about class 12 commerce notes which are provided by Toppersnotes. Let's unpack this parcel and see what books do we have. So friends, as you can see, we have 5 books over here. Let's have a look over the syllabus. So friends, our first book is Accountancy Part 1. Let's have a look over the syllabus. Friends, as you can see, we have a proper index over here. Our first chapter is Accounting for Non-Profit Organization. These are some questions which are theoretical, so students can learn from these two. So friends, our next book is Accountancy Part 2. Let's have a look over the syllabus. As you can see, we have a proper index over here. In this book, our first chapter is chapter 6, that is Accounting of Share Capitals, which starts from here. Repayment of debentures topic is there. There is a formula given over here for GPR, gross profit ratio, that is gross profit upon net revenue for operations multiplied by 100. So friends, our next book is Business Study. Let's have a look over the syllabus of it. As you can see, we have a proper index over here also. In this, our first chapter is Nature and Significance of Management, which starts from here. You can see some short answer questions are also being given with their answers, and some long question answers are also given there. So friends, our next book is Economics. Let's have a look over the syllabus. This is the proper index over here. Our first topic is Introduction to Microeconomics, which starts from here. Long question answers are being given over here so that students can remember and relearn them from the exam point of view. So friends, our next book is Physical Education. That is an optional part which has been included in this set. As you can see, we have a proper index over here. Our first unit is Planning in Sports, which starts from here. You can see there is content given over here. Procedure to draw the fixture of long tournament is given over here. Law of motions are also given here. As you can see, Newton's law of motion is and its applications in sports. So friends, if you found this video informational, please like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel. And for further details, you can visit our website. For that, the link is given in the description below. Thank you friends.